this is day 3. Me and my friends, we're gonna go downstairs. Say hi!
Hi!
Are you guys excited for today?
Yeah,
Soon,
sure.
soon. Yesterday was so much fun.
Yeah.
See ya! Thank you! Oh, I feel so good! Oh, I feel so good! Oh, I feel so, oh, I feel so, oh, I feel so good! Now we are going to American learn and have a workshop there. So we're gonna walk there. Yeah, we did a lot of walking like in Violet here. So stay tuned.
I can't breathe. Huh? I can't breathe. I know. So bad.
Yeah, so we'll get started in just a second. So, let us get started. And first, briefly about me. Hello, my name is Marie.
And that time it was COVID-19 pandemic, and every students were struggling with the online school. So I just would like to help. And this is one of the screenshots we learned.
My name is Lucy. I'm luxury.
I'm glad and I'm gorgeous.
Where is the sun? It looks like kind of cloudy.
You recording all of it?
I did. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Excited!
Yeah, yes. That's how you do it.
So right now we're going back after we done. Yeah, we watched the eclipse.
We were seeing the eclipse. Her phone is like destroyed and horrible, so I don't know. She has the worst phone ever. I'm joking. Shania?
He's being mean. He's just being mean, guys. He's just being mean.
I'm not mean, don't listen to this woman.
He's being
He's
to
not
us.
mean, he's median.
See? We're like we're like higher than
You
him.
get that?
Okay, take the phone.
Median. Me.
We're going back. Because you like kabar baik. Hi, we are learning English. Learn how to teach English with drawing, with creativity. Like we learned about the vocabulary of shapes, and we're doing a practical with drawing it. Wow.
Hello.
Such an artist. Ooh, that's good. dinner here. No. Hello. Chicken pot pie, vegetarian, and shepherd pie. What does he got?
I'm gonna wait. The experience.
We'll wait for you.
You need to eat. No, it's okay.
We'll wait for
Share the
you.
experience.
No,
All the flavors just explosive in my mouth. It's so.
what day can you start fasting?
Usually around 12 when you reach the like When you reach puberty or something?
I usually fast too, but like because of the like the.
Review time. Sorry. What do you think?
It's so good.
Is it too sweet?
It's not very sweet, thank you.
Review time. Review time.
It's like pineapple.
Really? That's fine.
But usually like very banana. Banana, right? Yeah, the texture. It's not taste like a banana, but the texture.
You told me beat. She was doing. Shane is crawling something. No one is It's crazy. It is a number. That's amazing.